Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group's stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 27th of May 2025, our system has categorized Trump Media and Technology Group as a sell candidate, reflecting a score of -1.75. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock recorded a loss of -9.33%. This equates to an average daily loss of -1.04% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned in the lower section of a very broad and robust upward trend in the short term, which typically presents an excellent buying opportunity. However, if the lower trend floor at $19.77 is breached, it may initially indicate a slower rate of increase and could also serve as an early warning of a potential trend reversal. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of nearly 20% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 13.5% to 65%. Evaluating the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects an approximate decline of 12%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from a decrease of 68% to an increase of 100% over the following year. In today's terms, this would translate to a future price between $6.68 and $41.94. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Green Day on Friday for Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price increased by 3.88% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, rising from $20.12 to $20.90. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.18%, with a day low of $20.35 and a day high of $21.20. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but it remains down by 14.97% during this period. The trading volume decreased on the last day by 5 million shares, with a total of 7 million shares being bought and sold for approximately $146,501,000. It is important to consider that falling volume amidst rising prices can signal divergence and may serve as an early warning about potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $54.68, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price is 61.78% or $33.78 below the 52-week high, and 73.67%, or $58.48 below the all-time high reached on the 26th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Shares of Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the symbol DJT, have recently experienced significant volatility. As of June 6, 2025, President Donald Trump's net worth has decreased by approximately $202 million due to a broader sell-off impacting sentiment around the stock. The recent feud between Trump and Elon Musk has also weighed on DJT shares, coinciding with a notable drop across the board. In response to the shifting financial landscape, Trump Media has filed for a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, or ETF, allowing investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without direct ownership. This move could position the company favorably amid growing interest in cryptocurrency, particularly as Bitcoin prices have begun to rise, reflecting potential catalysts for investor engagement. The ETF aims to make crypto investment more accessible, especially for retail investors, which could attract new capital to the company. Long-term implications of these developments remain uncertain. While an influx of investor interest driven by the ETF could bolster DJT's stock price, any further escalation in the feud with Musk or continued volatility in the broader markets could pose challenges. Investors should monitor these dynamics closely, as the interplay between political sentiment, public perception, and financial performance will be critical in determining the future trajectory of Trump Media's stock price. Analysts have assigned Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 5th of June, 2025, and so far it has risen by 3.88%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume declined during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. The stock should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence the near-term development. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between the two averages, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the lines at 21.18 and 24.2. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 7 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 8 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 82 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 77 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $20.27. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as being high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 85 cents between its high and low, which represents a change of 4.18%. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 5.70%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's briefly cover some important fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This vital ratio assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $21.33. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group encounters its first support level at $20.27. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from various analyst sources is to sell. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of May, 2025, Eric Swider conducted an insider sale of 3,000 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.1/1000 per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 7,567 shares of common stock, with a par value of $0.1/1000 per share. Also on that day, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 416 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Continuing, on the 14th of May, Philip Juhan sold 36,774 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Finally, on that same day, Philip Juhan sold 248 shares of common stock, with a par value of 1/10,000th of a dollar per share. Based on the 68 most recent insider trades, we've determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 20.878. In total, insiders acquired 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,937,448 shares in the last 68 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock presents several negative indicators, and despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that it will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of June, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open lower by approximately 8 cents and begin trading at $20.82. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.